What's good, family, man? Being that the situation just happened with the Bahamas and Hurricane Dorian, we were blessed. The hurricane didn't do anything to us at all, nothing significantly at all, maybe a few strong winds. But, Bahamas got totaled a lot. The Grand Bahama Islands, half of it got covered in water. You guys do know that. Some world-ending type scenario. And, I got family and friends. Well, they're not my blood family. Well, there you are. My dad told me I got blood family there, but my wife has family there. They're mine now by marriage. And I got people I made friendship in that island with. You guys know when I went to Bahamas. So it's like, I want to give back. We talk a lot of shit, but it's good to give back and have all this going when people are suffering. It's easy to say you support people. Make sure you look in the links, and I'm going to show you where you can donate to the people of Bahamas. Not to me. Don't donate to me. Donate to the people in the islands. And make sure we go do our parts too. I mean, it's a whole lot of stuff, and we got more from foods, the clothes, and we're probably going to most likely go hard all week because a lot of us have clothes and stuff that we could use to let go. Why keep holding on these things you don't utilize? And it's not only that. We like to say we don't have money, you don't have this or X, Y, and Z, but why not go in the background of your houses or whatever and scatter what you can get to give back, man. It's all about giving back, man. Look in the links in the description box and go look at the information I'm going to give you where you guys can go support the people of Bahamas, donate and support the people of Bahamas, man. People say they're real, but try to be a real human being first, man. One love. I'm your God bless one. Love your family, love your kids. Stay blessed.